Hello, Shaunda Dolls. Welcome to Hair by Shaunda TV. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button so you can be up to date. Today, I will be showing you how I colored this sexy blonde color on my client, Toya. Now, in a separate video, I show how I created the cut for this hairstyle, but I will not be showing it in this video. You can check it out in an info card, or you can click the suggestion box at the end of this video. But right now I'm just lightening her hair using Blond Brilliance lightener. And I mix it with B3 Brazilian Blowout Bond Builder to prevent her hair from breakage or any damage. Now, just a little side note, an important side note. Now, I could show you guys how I mixed up everything and how I mixed the color, but they have directions on the bottle. Please get comfortable with reading the directions. Always go off the directions of the bottle. Don't look at these videos and copy what the YouTuber is doing. Don't do that. Always do it for yourself. Read it for yourself. Your customer will appreciate you. Now I'm going to be applying this lightener all over her hair. We want all of the black out. This is a blonde ambition, baby. We are going all the way out. See how fast this lightnings? This Blond Brilliance is not a joke. They sell it at Sally's Beauty Supply. I don't know the exact price, but you can check it out at your local stores. But this stuff really works. I really like it because when I mix it, the powder doesn't fly everywhere. And I mix it with the Brazilian Bond Builder, such a tongue twister, Brazilian Bond Builder to prevent her hair from breakage. And it's pretty costly. You could probably buy it on Amazon or something like that. They won't sell it at Sally's or your local beauty supply store because this stuff costs about upwards $200 or more. It's really worth it though in the end because I will spend $300 on a product as long as it's going to help my client's hair grow and keep my client's hair healthy. All I have to do is just upcharge my service just a little bit. So now that it's processed and everything, I washed it out. I didn't really condition or anything, but we want to get this orange out of her hair. And we're going to use a toner to do it. But first I want to get a little bit of the moisture out, so I'm going to blow dry it so that my toner can deposit exactly how I want it to. So now I'm going to mix up my Wella Color Charm T14 Pale Ash Blonde. I really just want to knock this orange out of her hair, so I'm not going to let it really process that deep, but I just want to get this orange and brassy yellow out of her hair and give it a nice soft pale ash color. It's not going to be totally pale ash, but just enough to knock out the orange color. I also added the Brazilian Bond Builder with this mixture as well because you can never have enough protection. Always, always, always use as much protection as you can to prevent damaging your customer's hair. So as you can see, I'm also applying this all over her hair, and I will let this process for about 15 minutes. After then, well, I said on the box it says 20-25, but I only use 15 minutes. So now I'm finished. I deep conditioned her hair, shampooed it out twice, deep conditioned her hair using Cast Elite Hair Care Argan Oil Smoothing Conditioner. And I let that process for about 20 minutes under a dryer. So now I'm going to blow dry it and style it. Hey, if you want to check out how I created this cut and style, please check out the video in the suggestion box at the end of this video. You can check that out. See the cut, see how I curled it, see how I molded it on this natural hair. And if you aren't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button so you can be up to date on my videos. Please like, comment. I will comment back and share this video. Thank you so much. Be blessed. Have a good day.